home. It's Spider-Man no way, Spider-Man no way home, Spider-Man no way, Spider-Man no way up, Spider-Man no.
Welcome back, Beowulf Nation. It's on Beowulf. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit the bell notification. You get notified as soon as the video is uploaded. Check out the Amazon store, amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf. Check out I Am Beowulf merch at BeowulfNation.com and the free $25. With Crypto.com, we each get free $25. Best, smartest thing you could do for today. Let's get talking about this. This is another crazy thing. So they got, in a couple of weeks, the new Spider-Man No Way Home movie coming out, and they released earlier of the pre-order. I remember the night before, the movie theater I go to that I have a membership with, that I get a discount, I was checking on what's going on with the tickets because I knew it was coming up and their app crashed. So I knew something was up without knowing it. And I find that Twitter is kind of, I've never been a big Twitter person, but if you want to find stuff about cryptocurrency, Twitter is the go-to place to be finding out a lot of stuff. The tickets right now for Spider-Man No Way Home are going for like up to $1,000 or up to $100 to like $30,000 a ticket.
Spider-Man no way home, Spider-Man no way home, Spider-Man no way home. It's Spider-Man no way, Spider-Man no way home, Spider-Man no way, Spider-Man no way up, Spider-Man no.
Now that doesn't mean you can go to any movie theater. That's the movie theater where this person pre-ordered the ticket. Now I think a lot of it's gone on with this whole AMC thing that the whole video is going to be talking about. NFTs that they were giving out. NFTs are all related with the blockchain, with cryptocurrency, and it just shows you guys aren't jumping on the train. Get into crypto now. You're going to be so left out of the party, it's not even funny. It's no joke. You got to do your research. I'm not giving financial advice, but the best advice I can give you is sign up to the free $25 with Crypto.com. And staking in the CRO. They got a debit card that's real smart. They got all different levels up $400 up to $40,000 up to, or it's $400 up to $4,000, and then $40,000 and then $400,000, and then you get staked rewards with staking doing it. It's very smart. I've done it and I'm very happy. I wish I knew about it sooner. That I should have been into it earlier. So I like to share that advice. Let's talk about this video. It says AMC and Sony will hand out NFTs to Spider-Man advanced ticket buyers. Now they're actually like giving something when you go to the movie theater. It's going to be something you have to have certain crypto blockchain wallet with getting this. So let's get talking about this. AMC extending its fondness for the blockchain. For the freebies you get with ticket pre-orders, the theater chain and Sony Pictures are giving away 86,000 NFTs to Stub Premier A-list Investor Connection members who buy or reserve ticket for Spider-Man No Way Home showings on December 16th. Redeem a code through a special website. You will get one of 100 designs available through the more eco-friendly WORX blockchain. You'll need to order your tickets through AMC Theater's website or mobile app. When the pre-order launch on November 29th, if you qualify, you will get your code on December 22nd, and you will have to until March 1st, 2022 to claim the NFT. So it's kind of interesting is from what it sounds like is you're not immediately knowing you got the promo code for the free NFT. I've gotten into NFTs myself. I'm holding two. And I kind of got into just to experiment and figure it out what this all is. Crypto.com has their own NFT platform, and I bought a couple in there. I'm holding two, and then I've kind of gone through them. They're kind of fun to be doing. And then with the whole metaverse, I mean, it's all around cryptocurrency is so exciting. It says here, this is the first for AMC, but not shocking. On top of the company's existing crypto enthusiasm, Chief Adam Aaron said moviegoers and shareholders were calling for NFTs. This could also be considered an experiment AMC and Sony will find out how many viewers and eager to own a purely digital collectible. There are no guarantees the promo will translate to strong ticket sales, but this might become relatively commonplace if there's enough interest. This is pretty wild, and this came out on November 29th. So the day before, this is kind of interesting article. This is the day before NFTs. You see this, and I'll maybe have a little thing showing TikTok where like how crazy these tickets are going for on eBay.
Spider-Man No Way Home, Spider-Man No Way Home, Spider-Man No Way Home, it's Spider-Man No Way, Spider-Man No Way Home, Spider-Man No Way, Spider-Man No Way Up, Spider-Man No.
And I've seen some of them, people are bidding up to a couple $100, and it's pretty crazy for a movie ticket to be like $10.50 that they're selling for $100. I've never seen this before happen with a movie.
Spider-Man No Way Home, Spider-Man No Way Home, Spider-Man No Way Home, it's Spider-Man No Way, Spider-Man No Way Home, Spider-Man No Way, Spider-Man No Way Up, Spider-Man No.
And I've been through when they had the second Batman movie with Christopher Nolan. I remember that movie theater I went to when it came out. Every theater, it was 30 theaters in AMC 30, and every single theater had it playing. I've never seen that many people at a movie theater. And then you've had like Avengers Endgame, where that was big, but nothing where it was. I got tickets for Spider-Man No Way Home, and they were hard to get tickets. They were like, and literally, I woke right up and was doing it early in the morning. It's definitely crazy. I'm glad to be seeing it. Not gonna be late to the show, I can tell you that. And it's, who knows what's gonna happen? But NFTs, cryptocurrency, it's the future. I can tell you that straight up. It's no joke. But comment, did you get your tickets? Are you trying to get them and have to pay the big price ticket? It's kind of pay to play with stuff right now, but it's definitely interesting. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Existing subscribers, hit that bell notification. You get notified as soon as the video is uploaded. Check out the Amazon store, amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf. I am Beowulf merch at BeowulfNation.com. And then the free $25 with Crypto.com. All these links are in the description. Be driven to win. Remember, every day is Earth Day. Stay mighty and keep strong.
Spider-Man No Way Home, Spider-Man No Way Home, Spider-Man No Way Home, it's Spider-Man No Way, Spider-Man No Way Home, Spider-Man No Way, Spider-Man No Way Up, Spider-Man No.